Hello friends, welcome to our channel Architecture Design Edu. Today I am going to talk about the earliest freestanding Hindu stone temple, that is the Ladkhan temple at Aihole. So keep watching the video till the end to know some of the interesting architectural facts related to it. So let's go for the video. The Chalukyan dynasty ruled the large parts of southern India between the 6th and the 12th century, and a majority of the construction activities were in the cities of Aihole, Badami and Pattadakal. Particularly in Aihole, the Chalukyan capital city, the first structural freestanding stone temples originated, and 70 or more temples were located in close proximity. The Chalukyan architecture included the Hindu temples, which were rock cut, as well as structural freestanding stone temples. Aihole is known as the cradle of Indian architecture, and one can witness the transition from the rock cut temples to the stone freestanding temples, and Ladkhan is one of the oldest prominent example built during the early Chalukyan dynasty, which was from 450 to 650 century. That time, the freestanding buildings were made with perishable materials like timber, bamboo, mud, hay, with thatched roof. Stone was completely a new material. That too, constructing Hindu temple without any visual interpretation was a challenge for the craftsmen. So they chose the most prestigious village building known as the Santagar, that is the village assembly hall, wherein the elders met and discussed the civic matters of the village. The description of it can be traced from the ancient text. In stone, each of the timber detailing was replicated in stone. So timber sloping roof now became a stone sloping roof. Then wooden lattice window detailing can be seen in the stone lattice windows of the Ladkhan temple. Now if you just see the plan consists of the Garbhagriha, the Mandapa, the Ardha Mandapa, which is approached by a flight of steps. It consists of a 15.24 meter sided square 16 pillared mandapa with a Garbhagriha, that is the sanctuary, at the east side wall of the mandapa, and it is without a pradakshina path, that is the circumambulatory path, with pillars arranged concentrically. At the center of the mandapa, a Nandi pavilion is placed, which is surmounted by a tower. The Ardha Mandapa has 12 pillars, which is approached by few steps. The east, south and the north side walls have stone perforated screens which replicate the wooden lattice windows detailing, and they allow light and ventilation inside. These lattice windows were subsequently seen in the design of the North Indian temples later. In this section, we can find that the Nandi pavilion is topped with a cubical superstructure, which later on in subsequent temples was developed as a spire on the Hindu temples and became a distinct architectural feature. The roof is sloping in all four directions and the slopes radiate from the tower. The Mandapa and the Ardha Mandapa have separate sloping roofs at separate levels. The roof is made with stone slabs and stone ribs resembling the timber members. The ribs were jointed and placed to keep the interiors waterproof. No mortar is used for the dressed stone walls. The stone seat with sloping backrest is seen in the pillared portico, which became a notable feature later on in the temples as asana. So here we sum up the architectural features of the Ladkhan temple at Aihole. It is the oldest of the Aihole group of temples, and it is a very significant example which has low sloping roof with square plan form. The use of lattice windows, the stone sitting, the use of a tower are all seen at a very early stage in this temple, which makes it a prominent Hindu temple when we study the evolution of Hindu temples in India. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Till the next video, take care. Bye-bye.